Alright, so what we have here is the ZSX board from Parallel Miner. This thing is pretty awesome. It's a all-in-one board for powering up your system. You got your fan hub here. You got, what was it? 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 PCIe 6-pin runouts for 8 video cards. You have your main ATX power, and then this one is for your SATA drives. They specifically send this one along with the SATA. Then you have your CPU plug here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug all this in and get this all set quick. So your CPU plug goes down here. It's this 8-pin. I always kind of hold the bottom of the board when I'm plugging in just so I don't break anything. And my motherboard, I'm going to route under here and plug in. I'm going into slot A. I don't think I'm going to use B or C. I'm going to actually hook up an X11 with this ZSX, and I'm going to try to run them both off of the Delta 2400 watt power supply. So that's what my goal is for this board. And then I'm going to try and run 2 other boards with it later, but that's future. That's neither here nor there. So I'm going to have this over here. I'm basically counting on this guy is going to supply all the video cards on this side. I have to tighten that down. And then the other one is going to power all the boards that are on that half. So once I pull the, scratching up my table a little bit. Not bad. Yeah, pop the power supply on there. Maybe I'll line that up. I'm actually waiting on an adapter for that power supply. I didn't realize I had a different plug slot, and I'm using a PDU, a power distribution unit. So I have 240 volt 50 amp circuit that I'm running, and the PDU has basically 8 arms running off of it to power 8 different power supplies. But my plugs don't match what that one's plug lineup is, so I just have an adapter for it coming. Maybe I'll set it up just for the look right now,